Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see few Scopus indexed journal which are paid and unpaid and fast publishing journal. And these journals we are going to cover about computer science, environmental science, general decision science, chemical engineering, civil engineering, law, and mathematics. Yes, so these are all the requests which I have received it. So I'll be covering all these things. So let us see the very first journal, which is Journal of Environmental Informatics. So this is here. You can see that it is in Scopus. Okay, you have to check this present. Okay, this is very very important because till now it is there in Scopus Index Journal. Okay, it's indexed in Scopus. Got it. And here you can see the subject area. Okay, that is general environmental science, computer science and application, and decision science, general decision science. See, if you are under any topic, you are doing anything under computer science, you can try this journal. Okay, so you if you click here, if you just go and search it, it will take you to this page. This is Journal of Environmental Informatics. Okay, anyhow you have to cross check this with an ISSN number. So here you can see this 17262135, 17262135, because here they haven't given the source homepage link, so you're going to search it externally. So beware of cloned journal. Okay, if you want to know about what is a clone journal, please check my playlist, all about the research playlist, where you can find the information about the cloned journal. So let us understand what is this, what are the things which you have to check if it is a journal. Okay, so first thing is what language they are printing, in which language they are accepting. So it is in English. Okay, it's an English journal. And next you can just proceed with electronic files. So what are the things which they are accepting? They're accepting the full paper, review paper, technical note, research note, comments, and everything. And how you have to prepare the paper. Okay, your article, like what is the template of this, everything will be given here. Okay, symbols, references, equations, tables, illustrations, so how everything should be. And what is the publication fee? This is the next important question. Before that, the first thing is you have to check whether it is under your scope. Though you are seeing here that they are covering these topics, but anyhow it is better to go and check what are the scope of the journal, which is very very essential. So you can see here they are covering nearly design. So you can find the scope of the journal in the home page, or in few journal they will have a specific link where you can find the scope of the journal. Okay, so if you just scroll down here, so you can see like technology is designed to, okay, the journal aims to motivate, enhance integration of the science, sustainable solutions. So everything they have given here, regardless of disciplinary boundaries, the topics addressed by the journal include. So they are covering all these things. Artificial intelligence. Okay, someone has asked me for nanotechnology, I think. Computer graphics, you can try this. Okay, if anyone is under this. So even they have mentioned it, regardless of disciplinary boundaries, they also cover like other areas of environmental science and information technology, modeling, biotechnology, informatics, environmental chemistry, so everything. Though if you have any queries whether your paper will be accepted or not, if you are confused like whether it is your paper will be accepted, you can send a mail to the editor. Okay, so how to send a mail to the editor? You will get a contact information, a feedback information here, or a contact information. I will show you the contact information from where you have to get it. You can see here you have the contact details here, so you can just copy this, paste it in the paste it in your mail, and to address you can send a email regarding that. This is, so what are the you have to send only few important things to this particular editor, like whether they will be accepting your journal or not. Okay, like accepting in the sense whether your journal comes under the scope of this particular journal or not. So if you wanted to know about writing a letter, for that you can let me know, I will tell you how to write the letter. Okay, and other than this, this is the scope indexing of the journal. Okay, what are the things where they have indexed in? So it's there in Scopus. Okay, and also in SCIE. Got it. So now we have to check for what? We have to check for the price. Okay, what is the cost of the paper? Okay, like how much we have to pay. So excess fee are charged for a full paper. Okay, excess fee in the sense, if your page is above 15 pages, okay, if you wanted to publish above 15 pages, then you have to pay $150 for extra page. If it is under 150, like 15 pages, you don't want to pay anything. Got it? So this is what the thing in the publication fee. So this is free to publish. So if you wanted to publish here, so please go on which visit the instruction to the authors before publishing it. So next one is an applied science and engineering progress. So this is also there in it's in Scopus-indexed journal. It's in general engineering, chemical engineering, computer science, general computer science. And if you click here, it will take you to this page that is applied science and engineering process progress. Okay, so here you have to again check. Okay, don't think. Okay, and another important thing you have to see is what how many issues per year. Okay, I think this is 4 issues per year. I have already checked this. Okay, it's 4 issues per year. You can find it either in the home. If you couldn't find it anywhere, you can just go and check the archives. Okay, so it will be there. So next is here you have to check and how many days they are taking to reply you back. Okay, in few journal they'll be mentioning directly like this how many days they'll be taking. Okay, so this is what issue, this is a March issue, right? Okay, let us go to the back issues and check how many issues they are publishing per year. Okay, I'm talking about the Journal of Environmental Informatics. And if you click this, okay, I think, okay, December, September, June, yeah, March, June, September, December, 4 issues a year. Next one is applied science and engineering progress. So here if you see, so this is also computer science and chemical engineering, general engineering paper, that is every topic under engineering. So they too publishing on March, June, September and December, but the average day of acceptance is 55 days, and you will get the first decision within 3 days. That is why I told you this is a fast response days, acceptance rate was there. Okay, and then if you go to the for authors, okay, if you just go and check for the authors, so how much they'll be charging, everything will be there. Okay, applied science, what is this, what is that, everything. So article type, what are the types of article they're accepting, and what is the how you have to phrase, what is the plagiarism policy they are doing, like a submission and copyright issues, what are the thing you have to submit. Okay, everything you have to check it. And I think all about your publication fee will be there in the first page itself. Okay, so here you can see this is free of charge. In order to publish your paper here, it is open access scientific journal, free of charge, publishing by King Monguts University of Technology. Great. So it's a free journal. So you can try this, and they are also giving you the fast decision, and the acceptance rate is only 3%. Okay, which means that they are strictly following all the things which are related to in terms of a template, in terms of scope and everything. So you have to just think about the scope as well. So here you can see anything if it is related to scope, if there is there. So other important dates also they are giving. Okay, if you wanted to publish in the special issue, you can also try that. Okay, so the next one is what Malaysian Journal of Computer Science. So this is also for general computer science. So here you can see they are charging $100, which is nearly a small amount. Okay, compared with the other journal, and upon acceptance of the manuscript has gone through, like you have to pay after accepting the manuscript. Okay, other than this, you can just think about like how many issues they are publishing per year. So you can see here 2023, 2022. Okay, one issue per year. I think if it is one issue, no, not one issue, 22, 22, 22, 22, 4. Yes, 4 issues per year, 4 to 5 issues. One special issues also they are just considering, I think. Okay, so in that case you can definitely think about it, because since that will be a fastest response will be there. Okay, from this journal, because I have personally submitted my article here, and I got the response back within 15 days. Okay, so here you can see like how many days they will take, and what are the scope, what is the scope of the journal, everything will be there. The next one is IAENG Journal of Computer Science. So this is also general computer science, and you have to pay the amount here. The pay charge is what dollar u 250 for manuscript of 5 to 25 pages, and if it is exceeding the 25 page, you have to pay some more fee. So this is US dollar 250. Okay, under 20 under 25 page. And other than that, this they are also covering many subjects like artificial intelligence, bioinformatics, you can even consider nanotechnology. So whatever is there under computer science, general computer science, you can go ahead with this. Okay, So I think they are publishing 12 issues per year. I'm not sure. Let me check it. You can see archives. So let us go and check here about IANG. How much issues per year and how many days they take in order to reply you back. Okay, everything you can find it in this page. Okay, develop system engineering ING. Okay, you can become a member for free. And yeah, you can find, I think, how many days, how what is the last publications. Okay, IANG news. um okay, so ISSN submission, IANG computer science. So according to me, it is 12 issues per year. I have already checked it, but now I'm not sure like how many but they will reply you back soon. Okay, so you don't want to worry about it. They will reply you very soon, as fast as the thing. Okay, so it's a 4 issues per year. Okay, so 4 issues per year, but you will get the reply fast. So the next one is the Journal of Korean Mathematical Society. So this is for max. Okay, and this is since 1997. Let us go and check everything about the max. So I think a few of you have asked for max. Okay, and what are all the things they're accepting the latex file format. If you wanted to know about how to write the latex file, how to create a latex file, please let me know. I'll tell you the easiest way to create it. And corresponding authors, review process, everything will be there. And the publication charges here, it is only 20 USD per page. Okay, so the publication charges waived for the papers accepted for publication in the journal of the was JKMS, financial support from the authors who have their own research fund. So it's waived off. Like you can easily you can go with 20 USD per page. It will come around 1630 something amount. Okay, so 1600 for one page. So if you are publishing 4 pages, then it is fine. And they will also waive off if you wanted to explain like what is your financial situation and you are not getting any fund from any thing, so any research agency, so you can send a mail to them. I have already uploaded a video for how to write a letter to waive off. You can go ahead and check that. Okay, and how many issues per year, that is another important one which you have to check it. That is what all issues, you can just go ahead. If you couldn't find out anywhere, no, you can just directly go to the all issues in order to find it. And for 2020, you can click here 2020 to see how many issues it is. 1 2 3 1 3 5 1 2 3 4 6 issues per year. Okay, and finally we are in the last one, which is regarding the civil, that is the proceedings of institutional civil constructions and materials, engineering, civil structuring, engineering, materials, and material science, general material science, and it is indexed in Scopus. So if you click here, it will take you to this page. Okay, and you can see the complete information about this particular journal, how much they cost, and what is the publication fee for this and everything. And this is, they are taking only 69 days for first submission decision. And the acceptance, median acceptance for online publication is 6 days. Okay, and you can easily get the acceptance from here, like acceptance or rejections or whatever the decision, you will get it very fast. Okay, what is the aim and the scope, you can see like it is completely covering the civil engineering based concept, so you can check here for further thing. And open access, that is, this is a hybrid. I think you have to pay for open access, that if you want to go with an open access, you have to pay. And if you have any doubts, any specific doubts regarding like what is the, if they have any hidden charges for reviewing or anything regarding that, you can just send a mail and ask them. So that's all for today. And if you has requested for English and law, I'm still searching for that. If I get it, I will release the next video soon for that. Thank you, take care, bye bye.